Apple. Oh no. I mean the Apple company, you know. Recently they had the WWDC 2019. Oh. Let me swallow. Apologize. So, and it was damn crazy news about the Apple products. Alright. But there is like a lot of feedbacks, comments about some of their products. Some amazing and some we'll talk about it. But before, this episode is about, like, well guys, I didn't bought the new Airpods 2, but I bought the new case wireless charging. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the wireless charging case for the Airpods. Alright guys, so the difference between the first generation AirPod and the second generation AirPod, it's so small. Even in some ways there is no difference at all. Like for example the color and the design, no difference. And why not the color? Why not bring the black matte or black laminated? Guys, why not? Because a lot of people requested for it. Why not now? Anyways, so what I have decided is to keep the Airpods 1 and then to buy the Airpods case wireless charging. It's so simple, it's the same. This is the case, Apple logo, wireless charging case for Airpods. It doesn't mean that you must have the Airpods 2 for this to work, right? Alright, so here you have it, the wireless charging case. Let's open it. And of course it comes with white color. So first you have all the manuals and some of the amazing logo sticker. Anyway, and then this is the case. It's exactly the same as the first edition. Hallelujah! Anyway, so to make it fast, you can charge it with the lightning cable. Good. Here you have it. And then this little dot, this indicates you it's either charging or is it not charging, wireless or cable. So as usual, just open it and the light becomes green. All you have to do is to put them right here. And then the second one right here. That's all. But the case, the main subject about the case is wireless charging. Let's put them back. We close it and we all need to do is this simple, easy movement is to put it on the wireless charging and voila, the orange light up. We are charging the AirPods and the AirPod case at the same time, wirelessly. Isn't it crazy? The biggest update from the first to the second generation is the H1 chipset, which has a few benefits, longer talk time and support for voice activated Siri. The challenges are not that significant, not enough at least for me to recommend you to upgrade from the first generation to the second generation. Plus, Apple didn't change the look of AirPods at all from the first generation to the second. They have the same speaker placement, which doesn't necessarily work with all ears. And still only come in white. Yin and Yang, do you know it guys? It's white and black. Combined together, it's always the same product. Anyway. If you're hoping to show off how much cooler you are than everyone else with the latest AirPods, no one's going to be able to tell the difference. If you already have the AirPods 1, don't upgrade to the second generation. It's up to you, I know, but I will not advise it. It's up to you. You are free, my brother.
Not again. Do not tell me you record. Oh my god, why?
Yes, hello.
What hello? What can you say
Ooh.
hello? This is not a hello. You have to
Alright.
record.
You know what? Wait. Take a wait. Relax.
What's
Sit
relax?
down. You remember one time you told me about this like technique, editing technique?
Yes,
Yeah, I
I do.
learned the mute
Oh really?
one.
Oh really? You...
Like that. Alright, he looks so fun now. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. So let's end it very fast before he kick my ass. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe to my YouTube channel because next week it will be an unboxing crazy technology. Believe me. Guys, if I unmute it, you'll be amazed by his speaking French. Look, let's see.
Je vais t'étrangler, putain de ta race de ta...
Oh, I shouldn't have. Anyway, guys, thank you again for watching, and we will see you the next week, but much more crazier. Alright, peace!